Meet Lily the little fairy and Bruno the bear on their adventure. They discover a glowing crystal that sparkles with energy. This crystal gives them the power to talk to the elements of nature. First, they meet Fire, who shares how volcanoes erupt with power. Next, Water tells them why rainbows form after the rain. Then, they chat with Air, who whispers about wind currents and flight. Finally, Earth shares secrets of mountains and the beauty of nature. Lily and Bruno learn how all elements are connected in our world. They realize the importance of protecting our environment together. Join Lily and Bruno in their magical journey and discover nature's wonders.